Don't you hate when this happens? Lug nuts strip out or damaged, and it's so bad you can actually screw it off with your finger. Well, the first thing we're going to do, we're going to put chuck blocks on one of the rear wheels. Safety is always first. When you lift your vehicle, make sure you have proper jack stands and the proper jack. And anytime you're using an impact gun, make sure you're wearing safety glasses and ear protection. Next, we're going to completely remove the tire. I personally like to use a bar at least 3 feet long. It helps to preserve your back. Next, you want to use a large hammer to help you force out the damaged stud. I guess this is large enough. Right now is a good time to put lug nuts on any studs that you may have doubts about before remounting the tire. It's a lot easier to check it this way versus going through the trouble of removing the tire again. Be mindful when you install your stud, make sure you have the right stud for the right side that you are actually working on. We are working on the right side of the vehicle, and you want to have a R on your stud, that's for the right. And if you have a L, that's for the left. That would be for the driver's side. And that goes also for your lug nut. Make sure your lug nut is stamped and it matches your stud. And you can see the R here. That's for the right side. For the left side, you will have an L on the lug nut. Now we are ready to install our stud, and you want to make sure it's seated just right before you tap it in. Once you feel comfortable with it, just knock it in with your hammer. Make sure your stub is flush against your hub. Now we can mount back on our tire, and it's a good time to use that 3-inch bar to save your back. It would be good practice to use a new lug nut with a new stud, but if you do not have a new lug nut, make sure the used lug nut is in good condition and will not damage your new stud. Next, you want to lower the vehicle down so you can torque your lug nuts. Now you know how to change unwanted studs and keep your vehicle safe. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe. Take care and God bless.